Hey there folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we are taking you on a breathtaking journey to some of the fascinating attractions in the city of Shiraz. Let's start with the wonderful Pink Mosque in Shiraz. The Pink Mosque, also known as Nasir al-Mulk Mosque, dates back to the late 19th century. It was commissioned during the Khazar dynasty, an era of cultural renaissance in Persia. If you ever wonder why it's called the Pink Mosque, well, it's not because they ran out of paint options. The mosque features stunning pink mosaic that make it stand out from the crowd. Stroll around the courtyard of the mosque and soak in its beauty. And before you step out, there is a wonderful sight to behold. Glue your eyes to the screen and catch your breath. The windows of the Pink Mosque are like magical portals, inviting rays of sunshine to dance inside. As the sunlight pours through these colorful windows, it creates a breathtaking spectacle of colors, casting a vibrant glow on the walls and the floor. It's like stepping into a world of dreams, isn't it? In fact, I would call it nature's very own Instagram filter. So when you visit the Pink Mosque and stand before these magnificent windows, take a moment to embrace the joy and wonder that emanates around you. Our next stop is the Qavam House. The orange trees that fill the courtyard are a defining feature of this splendid mansion. These trees, known as naranj in Persian, give the house its alternative name, Naranjistani Ghawa, meaning garden of oranges. The fragrance of these blossoms permeates the air, adding a touch of natural beauty to this architectural masterpiece. Qavam House dates back to the late 19th century, built during the Khazar era by the prominent Qavam family. It served as their private residence and a center of cultural gatherings. This historical mansion reflects the intricate Persian architectural style, adorned with stunning tile work and delicate stucco designs. About 3.5 kilometers from Qavam House is the Vakil Mosque. The Vakil Mosque was built in the 18th century during the Zand dynasty under the rule of Karim Khan. And looks like it's a go-to place for budding artists too. As you explore the mosque, be sure to marvel at the detailed calligraphy that graces the walls. The iconic prayer hall of this mosque features 48 exquisitely carved stone pillars, each with intricate floral and geometric motifs. These pillars, meticulously crafted by master artisans, create a harmonious blend of art and spirituality, transporting visitors to a realm of serenity. A short walk from the Vakil Mosque takes us to the Vakil Bath. It is a historical public bathhouse from the 18th century, showcasing Persian architecture and unique heating system. And now, we spend the rest of our time strolling around the Vakil Bazaar. The bazaar is strategically linked to Vakil Mosque and Vakil Bath, forming a trio of architectural marvels. Dating back to the 11th century, Vakil Bazaar has been a vibrant trading center for centuries, attracting merchants from far and wide. Pause for a moment at the tranquil courtyard of Vakil Mosque, located within the bazaar, and let the architectural splendor and spiritual serenity captivate your senses. If you ever visit Shiraz, don't forget to bring your camera or smartphone to capture the vibrant colors, intricate details, and lively atmosphere of Vakil Bazaar. Make sure that you immerse yourself in the rich artistic heritage of Shiraz by browsing the stalls and shops that showcase traditional Persian handicrafts. Take your time to observe the locals going about their daily routines in the bazaar. Observe the vibrant interactions, absorb the sights and sounds, and embrace the authentic atmosphere of this bustling marketplace. We hope that you liked the video. Do not forget to like and share, and please do subscribe to us. Thank you for watching. Until next time.